In this video, we'll derive the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula solves the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. To derive the quadratic formula, we need to have a quadratic equation, and therefore a must not be equal to 0, or else we have a linear equation. So we start with ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. We subtract c from both sides. We multiply both sides by a, then we get a squared x squared plus abx equals minus ac. We then multiply both sides by 4 and then add b squared to both sides. This gives us 4a squared x squared plus 4abx plus b squared equals b squared minus 4ac. Split the 4abx term into two equal pieces. These two pieces are 2 times a times b times x. Use the distributive law 3 different times on the left-hand side. First, we combine the first two terms on the left-hand side. This gives us 2ax plus b times 2ax plus the remaining terms equal b squared minus 4ac. We will combine the other two terms on the left side to get 2ax plus b times b on the left side. Then we take both of these products and apply the distributive law one more time. This gives us 2ax plus b times 2ax plus b equals b squared minus 4ac. We rewrite the term on the left as a perfect square and then take the square root. When we take the square root of a perfect square, we get an absolute value sign. Then we're able to put a plus minus on the right hand side and get rid of the absolute value. Therefore, we have 2ax plus b equals plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Subtract b from both sides, then we get 2ax equals minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Then, finally, we divide by 2a. This requires a is not equal to 0. And then we have derived the quadratic formula. X equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That's all there is to it. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.